So in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how you can transfer Toncoin from Bybit Web3 wallet to another exchange, which is called Bybit Exchange. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step tutorial on exactly how you can do that. It's very simple. All you have to do is to follow up with what I'm going to teach you inside this particular YouTube channel. So let me go back to my wallet. As you can see, Bitget Web3 wallet, I actually have 2.5 Ton coin, and which is equivalent to about 13.48 dollar. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can transfer it out of Bitget Web3 wallet to Bybit. So ensure you watch this video from beginning to the end. So the first thing you have to do is to come to your Bybit. Then you are going to click on asset over here. Click on asset over here. Then you are going to click on here on your deposit. Click on deposit over here. Then you are going to click on deposit crypto. Click on deposit crypto. It's very simple and very easy. So the first thing you have to do is to search for this particular coin, which is called Ton coin. So you are going to search for Ton over here. Then this is Ton. You are going to choose Ton over here. So what you are going to do is to choose the network, which is Ton network. Choose Ton network. Then, as you can see, then you are going to copy your wallet address. Copy your wallet address. Copy your wallet address. Then come over to your Web3 wallet rather. So I'm going to go back. Then, actually, this is the home page. So the first thing you have to do is to click on wallet also over here. Then you are going to choose Ton coin. Choose Ton coin. So you are going to click on send over here. Click on send. Then as you can see, you are sending out your Ton coin to another exchange. So we are going to paste the wallet address we got from Bybit. We are going to paste it over here. Then we are going to choose the amount of Ton you actually want to send out. So due to the fact that we have been doing all this airdrop with like gas fee and others, but it's not adding up. So that is why I want to transfer all the money I actually have on this particular wallet. So I'm going to click on all over here. Click on all. So as you can see, it is about $13.47. So the one of the important thing you have to notice whenever you are transferring on a Ton network, you are supposed to add a memo so that it will be able to identify that you are the one sending the money. So let's go back to Bybit to actually see if they actually tell us to add any memo, because failure not to add a memo, it might lead to you losing your money. So as you can see, so this is the recent update about they said only Ton deposits via are supported. So Ton coin deposits has been upgraded, so you cannot deposit without tag or memo. So we are actually free not to use tag or memo, so we can actually send the money without tag and memo. So unlike before, you have to ensure you actually enter like a 7 or 8 digit number before you can actually receive it. Because I've actually done a transfer in the past that actually lead to me not receiving the money. So right now, all I have to do is to click on confirm. So while it is being loading, so I will actually encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are liking this video that I'm dishing out. So as you can see, this is the transaction history. So they are going to be charging me 0.01 as a gas fee for sending out. So I think it's good. It's not so high or like other exchange. So I'm going to click on confirm over here. Then actually enter my fingerprint to actually confirm this particular transaction. So it's going to take a while for you to load up. So it's loading up right now. So as you can see, transfer has been submitted. So it's going to take like 3 minutes for them to actually transfer this money to my Bybit wallet. So I will actually pause this video, wait for you to actually receive it, then continue whenever I receive the payment.
A few moments later.
So guys, after waiting for just about 3 minutes or so, I actually got a notification that I have a deposit. So as you can see, deposit confirmed. So which is about a 2.49 ton. So let me click on it to show you all the transaction. So as you can see, the transaction was successful and actually received it inside my funding wallet. So let me go back to show you the my wallet has actually increased. So because so that it will be able to show you that it's very easy and very simple. As you can see, I have 165 US dollar. So I hope this video actually help you out to figure out how you can actually do all this exchange from one exchange to another. So I will actually encourage you to subscribe, turn on notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you are going to be the first one to watch my video, learn and implement all my strategy. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next video coming anytime soon. Bye.